Hey, Danny here, and welcome to my vlog. This is back to Project Chevy. Well, my daughter said that the check engine light came back on the '02 Chevy Malibu. So we're gonna check it. Now I put the CRC emissions cleaning additive in, and unfortunately the other day it had the check engine light came back on. I checked it. It had the cat wasn't a cat bank one. It was the knock sensor and the crank sensor bank one. So we're gonna see what we got today. All right, let's see what we got for readings here. Come on. Got the, all right. All right. Okay, should we read? Let's read. Reading mode. And the other day, because I had it the other day, and I did change the crank sensor and read. Yep, crank position sensor A circuit. I changed the crank sensor on the back side, so I guess that's wasn't the right one. And the knock sensor circuit 1 again. So we're in the same boat as we had the other day. Knock sensor since 1, so I got to look into that. And we're still having an issue with when you shut it down, you're not going to be able to restart it back up. Even though it threw me for a loop the other day when I did change the rear crank sensor, I was able to get it to start, and it started 3 times in the garage, and then I brought it back over to her and I shut it down and started it up 3 times. Well, she drove it home the other night and stopped in the gas station to get fuel, and it wouldn't start again. So she had to wait about 2 hours, and it fired right up, and she brought it home. So I don't know what is getting hot, and I'm thinking something's getting hot, and it's let's drop my codes down here and see. Okay, there's knock sensor, we're good there. Okay, codes. Alright. Alright, I want to be out of there. I want to see if I'm going to erase back in there. Let's erase the codes. Erasing it done. Okay. Read. Okay. Null status. I want to see what monitor says. Misfire ready. Main monitor ready. Misfire ready. Alright. I do it right. There we go. Fuel system ready. Catalytic not ready. And evap system not ready. I wonder why. Oxygen sensor not ready. 2 sensor not ready. VAP not ready. I wonder what's going on with all that. Alright. So something's between the crank sensor and the knock sensor. I still don't have anything ready to be set, so I don't know. Well, Whoa, well, maybe. I don't know, maybe I cleared everything. Dang it. That might be it too. Maybe I reset everything when I just did that. Maybe. Maybe I reset everything. That wasn't good. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. You can catch me on the next Project Chevy.